If you ever have to update your Uber profile picture, prepare yourself for possible issues. Let's discuss. So I actually initially had issues back in the middle of 2023, and I had completely forgot about this. I was required by Uber to update my profile picture after I uploaded my renewed license. And again, shame on me for completely forgetting that I was waitlisted when I tried to update my profile picture in the middle of 2023. So a couple of weeks ago, an Uber rider made a comment to me that I looked about 50 pounds heavier in my profile picture, and in that profile picture I was actually 30 pounds heavier, so I did look different, and I figured why not update my profile picture to better reflect what I look like now. I went ahead and I decided to start the steps to update my profile picture on both Uber and Lyft. On Lyft it went fine. About 24 hours later, after submitting my new profile picture, it was approved. On Uber I should have known better, especially based on the questions that they ask you when you try to update your profile picture. They're like questions that say, do you absolutely have to do this? So in the middle of the night during the day that I decided to submit my new profile picture, I received these messages from Uber. The agent introduced themselves, they said they're from the Uber support team, and they said they deleted my profile photo and I'll be prompted to submit a new photo the next time I sign into the Earner app. And I also received this message: we couldn't match your profile photo. To activate your account, we need to verify that your profile photo matches your identification document. So I went to the Uber driver app and I saw that I could not go online until I submitted a new profile picture. I went through that process of submitting a new profile picture, and I could have swore that during that process it said that my current profile picture will be used as a placeholder until my new profile picture was approved. But that was not the case. After I submitted the new profile picture, it said it could take up to 24 hours for that profile picture to be approved, and I couldn't go online until then. And this was one of the days that I drive. I drive on Mondays and Tuesdays about 10-11 hours. This happened on a Tuesday, and I was not able to go online until that profile picture was approved. Again, shame on me for not remembering what happened in 2023. Shame on me for going through the manual process of trying to update my profile picture, and also shame on me for trying to do it on the days that I actually drive. On the days that I don't drive, if I would have to wait 24 hours, that would be fine. But on the days that I do actually drive, where I drive heavily, that's a big issue. So I reached out to support. I asked them how long it would take for my profile picture to be approved, and I told them I would like to get on the road ASAP. I thought my current profile picture would be the placeholder. Then in the middle of my chat with support, they informed me that my account was deactivated due to fraudulent activity. They told me we have determined that certain documents you submitted to Uber appear to be altered or fraudulent. As a result, your account has been rejected and you will remain permanently deactivated. And sure enough, here's the message that I received in the Uber driver app. Your account is deactivated. Deactivation reason: fraudulent document. During our review, we determined that a document you submitted appears to be fraudulent. Therefore, we've decided to deactivate your account. Your ability to request a review will be closed on Wednesday, December 10th. So I obviously went through the steps to request a review, but if I wouldn't have done that before the 10th, I think I would have been permanently deactivated. Then just over an hour later, after submitting that review request, I received this notification: your account is now active. You can go back online and accept requests. And I also received this email: you're all set to hit the road. Thank you for updating your account. You may go online to accept requests. I'm not sure what the hell happened again. This is the second time I've had an issue with updating my profile picture. I don't know what's flagging within the Uber system my new profile pictures as fraudulent. Also, the profile picture that they now have approved for me is the one that I submitted back in 2014. This is the same profile picture that they wanted me to update in 2023 after I renewed my driver's license. My question is, Uber, what the hell is going on? What do you want us to do? Again, shame on me for trying to do this manually. I'll never do that again. I don't even have the option to try and update it now within the Uber driver app. Yes, Uber is a massive company and they probably experience a lot of fraud, but those of us that aren't trying to commit fraud, I'm sick and tired of getting flagged for it. Again, learn from me. Don't ever try to manually update your profile picture on Uber. And also, if you're ever required to update your profile picture on Uber, prepare yourself for some possible issues. But what do all of you think? Have you ever had this happen to you when trying to submit a new profile picture? Or have you had other things happen to you, random things, where you've been deactivated? I personally have been through the ringer with Uber in the last couple of months, and I hope it settles down in 2025. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on what the upfront fares are looking like here in Minnesota under the new minimum rates, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.